Now, if we talk of proper adjectives, they are actually formed from proper nouns. Proper adjectives are capitalized. They are often made from the names of cities, countries, or regions to describe where something comes from. But they can also be formed from the names of religions, brands, or even individuals. Examples: I will never be able to keep up with Parisian fashion. There is nothing better than Alaskan smoked salmon. I loved studying pre Shakespearean theatre. The man over there is Italian. Emphasizing adjectives. An emphasizing adjective is used to emphasize statements. It heightens or reduces the effect of the noun they are modifying. Even if they are taken away, the sentence will still make complete sense. For example, this is the main book that I wanted to buy. The campaign was a complete success. I saw all this with my own eyes. This is the same man who was disturbing the meeting. Participle adjectives. Participle adjectives are verbs used as adjectives. A participle is a word that is made from a verb and usually ends in ing or ed. For example, the verb to surprise can be made into the words surprising and surprised. Past or present. There are two types of participles: the present participle, which ends in ing, and the past participle, which ends in ed. Adjectives with ed endings tell us how people feel about something or someone. It is less common for words with the ed endings to describe non living things, situations, or ideas. And adjectives with ing endings often describe a quality of a person, thing, or idea. They describe the thing that causes a feeling or emotion. Examples: I was really bored during the flight. She is interested in history. John is frightened of spiders. Nouns as adjectives. Some nouns are used as adjectives. Examples: basketball coach. Here the noun basketball is being used to describe the noun coach. Garment shop. Here the noun garment is being used to describe the noun shop. Painting exhibition. Here the noun painting is being used to describe the noun exhibition. In all the above examples, the first noun acts as an adjective. Some more examples: history teacher, ticket office, race horse. Thank you.